Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to get the Rock of Jungle ticket for yourself on your Pokemon GO account. So guys, the Rock of Jungle is an event that is coming to your Pokemon GO, which is starting from the 21st March. And if you want to take part, you have to buy the ticket and I will teach you how. So at first, just open your phone, and as you open your phone, open the Pokemon GO app. And as you open the app, it takes a while to load because it depends on your internet speed. So all you have to do is just wait until it loads. And guys, as it loads, just look at the bottom middle where you can see that Pokeball and just select that and go for the option shop. And as you open the shop, you can see at the first Rock of the Jungle and just click that. And it will cost you $10.99 and all you have to do is just use your card to buy it. So guys, that's how you get the Rock of Jungle ticket for yourself on your Pokemon GO account. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.